Okay, here we are plane spotting from the hotel. There was a helicopter. There's a Southwest plane taking off. Probably headed to either Burbank or Phoenix. And right below this plane, the Excalibur.
Oh, the defense lawyer said it's so.
Here's another Southwest plane. And I'm not sure what airline this one is. Autofocus is going a little wacko because I'm filming from inside a room.
That's true. I think if you hold it real close to the window, it'll work better.
No, it makes it worse.
It does.
Yeah.
Go far away.
There's another helicopter. Oh yeah, it is better if you're closer. And yeah, looks like we got a JetBlue
We
here.
could just walk over there. It's really not big.
Yeah.
It's just still dilly dally. It's not even that hot outside, I don't think.
No.
Maybe it is. Yeah, it's probably over 100. It was not hot last night when I was out there.
No, it wasn't. It was 82 in Baker.
That's amazing.
That looks like United, I have to say.
It's 91 out there right now.
That's cool for this, for Vegas.
I know.
For Vegas, that's pretty cool. I think one time we were here and it was 115.
The high today is 103 and the low is 77. Ooh, good earthquake weather. Did they have earthquakes there? I don't even know.
Sometimes. Okay. That might be a Janet, or it might be a private jet. It looks more like a private jet. Wait, let me see if...
It's not Jan's. It's Jan's.
Oh, it is Janet.
Is it? Oh, cool.
Or is it just a nondescript plane? I can't tell.
Well, I'll look up Janet. I can pick it up.
I know what it looks like. There you go. The plane. This is just Southwest Airlines.
Yeah, probably about 20 flights a day.
Mm-hmm.
It's red and white, Jason.
Yeah, I've seen a Janet one time here.
It only has 2 jet engines, not a big plane.
Mm-hmm. And they fly to Area 51.
It shows aliens on the back of the plane and a flying saucer.
Here's a Southwest Airline. Another Southwest plane. Yeah. Southwest has a major hub here. There's a little plane spot while I'm waiting for Mom. And another Southwest plane.
Yeah, the plane was going from Burbank to Vegas. Got confirmation of it right now.
We almost went on it.
We could have.
Yeah. Really makes me wanna fly.
I was thinking about leaving on Saturday for a while, but it was Saturday.
Southwest Airlines. Okay.
So did you see a Janus plane or not? Did it have red writing on it?
I don't know.
What did you say?
Oh, a Janus plane.
Janet.
Plane that flies from Vegas to Area 51. Secret plane. But you can see them at the airport. Where they fly over.
Here's a helicopter. Oh, but faded out. Focus. Focus. Okay, here's a Alaska Airlines plane.
Oh. Can you use a telephoto on that, or?
Not really.
I can see it though. I can see it very clearly.
Yeah.
What's the only airline that never had an accident? Hawaiian Airlines.
Hawaiian Airlines? Okay, yeah. Because Southwest had that
That is a great airline.
accident in
Did we
Burbank.
fly Hawaiian Airlines and went to Hawaii?
Yeah, yeah.
It was fantastic. It was really good.
Yeah, there's Alaska
We'll
Airlines.
go there next year on
There's a private jet.
You don't want to be arrested there.
There's a private jet taking off.
We'll go to North Korea and join the opposition party.
No, don't.
What opposition party? They're all in jail. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that big blue
There's
thing?
an Allegiant plane. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Allegiant. Alright. Okay, here's a Southwest plane taking off.
Oh yeah, that's my phone. I'm still having some problems with my battery.
Oh, yeah. Focus easily. Okay, just after that Southwest plane took off, here's another Southwest plane taking off.
Oh, they are have an atomic museum in Vegas.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds interesting.
Okay. Let's look at Southwest Airlines. Yeah. Vegas and Phoenix are their main hubs. Is that a United or a JetBlue? Looks like United. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's United. That looks like a private jet. Yeah, it's a private jet.
Did you know that your risk of a shark attack is 1 in 11.5 million?
Yes, it's less of a risk than getting struck by lightning. Here's an Alaska Airlines plane.
Well, that's why I went before Dad got in there, because I knew he would be in there for a long time.
Okay, here's a Delta plane taking off. Southwest Airlines. You are now free to move about the country. Now with assigned seating. A lot of Southwest planes here.
Really?
Yeah. I did see one Allegiant plane. And Allegiant is the namesake of the stadium.
How about Janice?
Janet? Okay, here's the most hated airline ever, Spirit.
Spirit Airline.
There is a North Korean
Yeah.
airline that is supposed to be
North
really
Korean
weird.
Airline.
Or Air Koryo, yeah.
I don't know if a U.S. citizen can get on it. British can get on it. British, recognize me. I don't see why we don't. It just makes things worse.
Okay, here's another United plane. Just a minute, he's behind the hotel. Okay. Okay, here's a Southwest Airlines plane landing
Probably
at Harry Reid. Looks like some kind of... Oh, I think it might be, it's a cargo plane. Nice. Cargo plane. UPS, yeah. Okay, there's a Southwest Airlines plane landing.
Okay, I'm going to the Coke machine, okay?
Okay. What plane is that? It might be another cargo plane or something like that. Anyways, it's behind the Excalibur, so let's see it now. Passenger plane, I'm pretty sure. Hard to tell from this distance. Long one. Looks to me like it's United. Or is it American? I think no. It's KLM or Korean Air, something like that. Yeah, it's an international plane. Southwest. Okay. This plane should come from behind the Luxor. There it is. Yep, it's a Southwest plane coming in. Yeah. A lot of Southwest Airlines plane. This is a major destination for Southwest Airlines. You are now free to move about the country. When we fly here, it's always on Southwest. Okay, I'm not sure what airline
But
that
he
is.
was upset about
Looks like
all
a
the
private
Clinton
jet.
affairs.
Yeah, it's a private jet.
She had read in the Inquirer about all of Clinton's affairs.
Okay, here comes. I think it's a commuter jet. Looks like an American Airlines commuter jet. I'm not sure though. Okay, it's a
The problem is, I think
Southwest
we've been
plane.
gone too long.
Nope, it's a Spirit plane. The worst airline ever.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm filming right now.
okay.
I'm filming the worst airline ever, Spirit.
I've heard stories about that.
Santa Fe though is really nice too.
Okay, is that Spirit plane is in there? Here's a helicopter buzzing around. Boy, my camera really goes out of focus on the helicopters for some reason. Okay. Alright. Oh, it's Allegiant. The namesake of the stadium. We raiders traded in our ships for motorcycles. Yeah, I don't think this airport supports the huge planes. That's why they want to build the new airport in here, Prim. Oops, a little bit of a Dutch angle there. Sorry about that.